Go all right, team. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the afternoon live stream. I hope everybody's having a phenomenal afternoon. As you guys know, welcome back to Print fucking City. I'm done for the day. Murdered it. Took a couple of more spy trades. Had a really solid day today. Again, up around 3% on the day. Pretty fucking good work here, team. So everybody, let's see what we get going into the afternoon with some of these Fed speakers. At 1:30, there's going to be a bunch of them. So get ready for that. There's Fed speakers fucking everywhere today. So get ready for that. But team, if you wouldn't mind just slapping the literal living fuck out of the like button, you guys almost hit the ankle threshold on the morning stream, which is crazy. I want to see that same energy on this afternoon stream. But team, a couple of notes of housekeeping before we actually get into some of these stickers over here. Remember, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. It's all short to VIX1, one word. That's the name of all the accounts on that are not YouTube. It's just short to VIX1, all one word, no spaces, no capitals, no nothing. But team, remember, this is your last chance to get your 2 weeks for free to the Trade 1348 platform. You guys see people printing like constantly, man. This is your last chance. I'm telling you right now, don't get left behind. If you do, too bad, sucks for you. But nobody's going to get anywhere in this world by sitting around on their ass not taking action. So if you want to come in and join up, again, we made this barrier to entry super low. So if you guys want that, it's pinned to the top. All of you guys that are looking for the upgrade to the lifetime payment plan, you guys know the deal. Reach out to Diana. If you want to upgrade to 3-year to make sure you're getting the new Gabe streams that he's going to be doing, I think next week, but I'm not sure. I got to talk to him about that. The live masterclasses, beta access to all the new products. You can secure your spot for Speed Racer when it comes out soon. It might be next week, might be the week after. We just got to see. But yeah, you guys will all have beta access to Speed Racer 2 weeks before everybody else. So if you do want to upgrade, make sure you guys reach out to Diana. But remember, guys, last chance for your 2 weeks for free. We are pulling the plug on that one. Hop in or not. I mean, it's not going to change anything about what we're doing over here. We're just going to keep stealing money from the market every single day. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Let's see here. Team, how you guys doing? Keeping that like button on the way in. What's up? He's late. I am not late. I'm not late, bro. All right, you guys are doing pretty good on the like button. Jesus, man. All right, so, I mean, I played this. Where is this? So I actually played this here on the spy. 2 minute. Where is it? So I played, where is it? Where is he? Where was it? I thought it was here. Retest here, back down. Yeah, I wasn't in this trade for very long. Played something down to here, I think it was. Yeah, right around here. Nice trade there. Locked in a nice little 8 to 10% on that one. Very quick scalp. But let's see. If you're not 5 minutes early, you're late. Yeah, true. Weeble comments are depressing people guessing and losing money. Dude, just go tell them where to go. Like, seriously, all of these retail investors are still struggling. This stream should have thousands of people watching just for how much we print and help people. It doesn't. I mean, it's the best kept secret in all of financial whatever, like this weird little niche that we're in. 10% on your account in 2 days in a row. Traffic lights in the 1348 strategy is fire. 100%. Faust, we are killing it over here, dude. So what am I? I mean, I crushed it today. I was trying to do something a little bit fancy because in the time that we ended last stream and began this one, I now have some very exciting plans for tonight. Might be going to the playground. So I was like, let's see if I could just like pay for it all in one trade. And I didn't, but like it was pretty sweet. Batman. Do I drop my affiliate link in the Weeble group? Get some views? Go for it, man. I mean, you guys can go and tell people in the Weeble comments. Like, I mean, you can do whatever you want. I mean, a lot of you guys are affiliates. So, I mean, you guys can affiliate however you like. Please go over your trades if you crushed it. Iron Mike, you guys all know what I'm doing at this point. Traffic lights. I went over this one with you in the morning. This one, traffic light to the upside, nailed it. I missed this one. I played, where's the bounce? I played the bounce off these lows here. RSI broke its moving average, came right back up, nailed this one. This one was really filthy. This traffic light, if you guys hit this one, would have been filthy. I accidentally fat fingered this one a little bit, so I was out of it quick. This was a really good trade coming to the upside. And then I hit, I believe, this traffic light coming down to this 200 EMA. I think I scaled out here, had some stops at break even, and then let it ride down here, and then moved the stops up, and then got stopped out in profit. So 3 or 4 trades today. Haven't missed. So these traffic lights are the truth, bro. I mean, they're super filthy. Another girlfriend signed up to 1348 today. Wreck-It Ralph, dude. You're getting all your hoes in here, huh? Jesus, bro. How many girlfriends do you have? How many? Hold on. Maybe don't say this. Don't say how many there are because that might offend them. Or not. I don't know, man. You might just have the deal of a lifetime over there. But all right, guys, 4 likes away from 50. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, I could have taken this traffic light down here too. Yeah, not enough. Not enough girlfriends. Damn, son, you guys want headaches like that? You gotta be a real nimble individual. It's like dude, at that point, if you have that many girlfriends, you're almost running a wrangle everywhere you go, and you don't even get to decide if you're doing a wrangle or not. Like, come on now. That's honestly sort of what the playground might be turning into. He's clearly following all your guidelines of getting all the girls in spot. Dude, yeah, it's like he's running his own wrangle, but it's like it's not a choice. Like he has to. The Rizzler. They all know each other, no lying or drama allowed. Fucking Wreck-It Ralph, I love you, bro. You're my dude over here. I love this, bro. I love Wreck-It Ralph. And Wreck-It Ralph is amazing too, because he's not gatekeeping 1348, bro. He's like, yeah, get them all in. Have him make money. Don't go asking me for shit. Just teach him how to make money. Oh, dude. Honestly, Wreck-It Ralph may have the best setup of all time. He has multiple girlfriends. He's showing them the place to go and make money. So then he gets to have a great time having multiple girlfriends, and then they never ask him for anything because they're just printing money with 1348. Wreck-It Ralph has cracked the fucking code. And I'm assuming wrecking it too. So, all right, sorry. It's a Friday, guys. We're having fun. But what's his stop loss? I don't think he has. I mean, no. You're teaching them, not me. I guess I am teaching them. I mean, that is true. I hope they're not in here right now. They're like, wow, this kid's an asshole. Like, don't worry. I am actually an asshole. So here we go. More money, more problems. You got no idea, pal. All right, sorry, Wreck-It Ralph. I'll shut the fuck up now. So let's see. And they pay me. Fine with me, bro. Fine with me. All right, guys. Let's see what we get on the spy over here. Again, last chance for 2 weeks for free. Get your asses in there before it's too late. And it is too late. Basically now, you guys are cutting it close. Cutting it close. Facebook put on the 5-minute traffic light at 10:55. Took the retest it went completely against you. What did you miss? I think this is something that we got to talk about here. It's almost like people get so dumbfounded. Like, I can look at the chart for you. We can do that quickly. 5-minute traffic light at 10:55 on Facebook. Let's just take a look. I think a lot of you guys are just viewing trading wrong. 10:55. I'm guessing it's this one. No, this one. Okay, well, you just... this is the 1 minute. Sorry. I got to throw this on the 5. That's the 15. This is why I don't trade on my computer. This is nonsense. All right, 10:55. There is no 5-minute traffic light at 10:55. So you fucked this up somehow. I don't know how, but the only trade on Facebook on the 5-minute was here to the upside at 12:35. But my point remains the same, in which a lot of you guys, when you lose a trade, you're like dumbfounded, disappointed. You're like, oh, fuck, what happened? Sometimes, guys, some trades just are not going to play out. They just aren't. Nothing is 100%. What you can't do is then start doubting yourself or your system and say, oh, fuck, this one trade didn't work. Now I'm fucked. And then you get down on yourself and you're like, what the heck happened? It's like, no. The whole point of what we're doing here is we know we have a system that works very well. We all know. The algorithms trade it very well. Rita kills it. You've seen the traffic lights print. What you have to then do is you can then in your mind treat that trade as a win if you then stopped yourself out early. On this example that you guys have given me, this is nonsense. That's not even a trade to the downside. But in general, what you have to look at is like, if it's a losing trade, it's a losing trade. It is what it is. It's going to happen. You're going to lose. It's how you manage it that separates you from a beginner to an expert or a professional at what we're doing here. That's what it is. I don't want anybody getting like, oh, fuck it. Oh, wait, hold on. Am I on the wrong day? Yeah, I am on the wrong day. Sorry. I'm a dumbass. I'm on the wrong day. Let me go back then. Hold on. Yeah, I'm on the wrong day. My bad. So let me look at this one. I was on the wrong day. But this one right here at 10:55, even then, like this just goes along with exactly what I was saying. Like even then, you're like I would never have like I wouldn't play dailies on this. I'd be playing next week. So okay, so you're getting puts right here. You get this retest. Awesome. It comes right back down. So the 11, what'd you say? Yeah, that was the wrong day. Sorry. 10:55, you took the retest at 11:06. So I'm guessing that's right here, somewhere in here. This is fine. I mean, if you hit this here up here on the retest, it comes down. I mean, you're in profit. Like you got to use the stop loss strategy. Then it comes back up. You get fucked around with a little bit, and then it ends up traffic lighting to the upside later. Some trades just aren't going to play out, and you have to come to terms with that because that's what we're doing here. All we're doing is setting ourselves up for a higher probability setup, but the probability of a successful trade is never 100. It's never going to be 100. And you have to realize that when you're going into the trade. You can lose going into the trade. Every single time I enter a trade, I'm like, I can lose right now. This trade could lose me money. My account could be smaller than it was before I took the trade. But the probability is in my favor over time if I keep taking those setups. That's what I want you guys to understand. It's about not one day or one trade. It's about a year of trades, 6 months of trades, 2 years of trades. No, but you didn't miss anything. 4.91% on the port. Traffic lights for the win. Damn, bro. Jesus. You guys are killers. Oh, I live in here. Jesus. Hello. Tyler, what's up, buddy? Tyler, what are you up on the day? I saw you were doing pretty good. I'm happy about that. Up 40% on IWM puts with a stop in profit. Trade the trends, you fucking monster. I love you, bro. Fuck yeah, dude. Good shit, team. Again, guys, welcome to the best place to learn how to trade. If it's your first time here, you're in the you're in the right place. You're a newbie. We're going to get you up to speed. Let's see here. That is fucking awesome. Trade the trends. 40% on the trade. It's fire. Up 1.3% and done. Attaboy, Tyler. Now, Tyler, here's what I need you to keep thinking about this. This has to be a constant thought through your head. Your biggest green streak is 14 days. Cool. Awesome. I need you to continue thinking, I need to secure the bag. I need to secure the bag. I need to secure the bag. If I'm up a lot, kill it. If I'm up a lot, kill it. It's just, you got it. Or risk a proportion of your gains. Like, let's say you're up $100, you risk half your gains, you put $50 on something. You're like, all right, cool. I mean, you could size it for 0 that way, or you could, like, there's a lot of different ways that you can do it. Today you learned you have to wait for the caller put signal after the traffic light. Who told you that, Tom? Who told you that? I don't think that's in any of our videos. Hi, SV. Port is up 3.93%. Thank you. There you go. Yeah, but Tom, like this one, I mean, no. This one, I mean, sort of. This one, no. I mean, you can on the 1 minute, but I wouldn't necessarily think that that's the way to do things. I'm looking at traffic lights and retests all day long, bro. Rose is killing it. You guys are doing amazing, guys. I love seeing it. Dude, you guys winning makes, like, I love it. It's better than sex. All right, let's see. My back feels a little bit better now, but, like, I'm kind of happy I'm doing what I'm doing tonight where I don't have to, like, stand up a bunch. I can just sit down, like, hang out. Have a good, because I don't have to be, like, moving and getting bumped into and fucking up my back. Like, oh, Jesus, bro. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Keep that same energy from this morning. That's not what I told you. I didn't tell you shit, Moto. Fucking coming in here saying all these things. I was blessed that your 400 put that you held overnight paid this morning. I know I broke the rules. Yeah, I mean, we went over that this morning. I had a fuckload of SPY contracts at $3.99 that expired today. And if I held those, which I never would do, I would have made like, I don't know, probably like 15 grand, maybe more. Like, I don't even want to know. Like, it would have been a lot. But I'm never going to like hold that, even if it's a smaller position relatively for me. Like, I'm not going to, like, it's just silly to do that. Yeah, I had 399s. Like a lot of them. But I was day trading them yesterday, and I was like, there's like, you can always think back to yourself, oh, if I held these, I would have made $110 million. That's not helpful for anybody. Like, it's not going to help you. Contracts expired today. Well, I bought them yesterday. I didn't hold them, though, Tyler. You bought at 198 and sold at 500. Yeah. Yep. I had a lot of SPY 399s yesterday. That was the trade that was my one losing trade yesterday because I took it towards the end of the day and I was like, I think we're gonna come down. RSI was hot. I think I lost like 11% on it, so I was like, whatever. That's still nuts. They went up that much. I didn't get it though. Like I didn't make any. I lost on the trade. I would have had to gamble on data, which I would never do. Crazy how many trades I can lose and still be green. Portfolio up a little over 10% for the week. Done. Going to the next job now. Y'all enjoy Freedom Friday away today. Attaboy. There you go, man. Again, I mean, yeah, that's what our system does for you, dude. It fucking crushes it. So, team, there's that link right there. It is your absolute last chance to get in for your 2 weeks for free. And it also gives you a little bit of time there, too. I mean, you can watch all of those learning curriculum videos over the weekend. You can get caught up to speed. I mean, it's the perfect time for you guys to hop in, man. Perfect time. The timing's perfect. And make sure you reach out to Diane if you want to upgrade to lifetime or 3-year today. Actually, I think the stop loss strategy is a really good thing to do in the masterclass this weekend too. It's still nuts they went up that much. I mean, I can look and see what they're up today, even where they're at right now from close yesterday. So I think they finished like it won't be that much of a difference. Like, what are these up today? The 399s, 165%. Okay, I mean. That would have been serious money, but not as much as I thought. So, I mean, it doesn't matter. I didn't get to realize any of it. Then I came out swinging today and hit around a 3% day. So, fine with me, man. Fine with me. Off to the playground later. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. And again, make sure you're hopping in for 2 weeks for free. I don't know what else to tell you guys at this point. You hate weekends? I don't. I like weekends. Nice little break. I like weekend. You technically been having more losses, but they're cut very short and the wins are just so much bigger. Yeah, exactly. You think SPY will run to 398 and fall? Oh, well, okay. Well, we'll see, Francisco. We will see, buddy. I like weekends, dude. Weekends are like my vacation. Like you guys realize that, right? Like the weekend is like my vacation because I don't I'm never going to take a vacation. I can't mentally do it. I will tweak out in my mind. I'll be like, nope, I literally can't do it. So the weekends are my vacation. Maybe I'll take a day here and there, but like you can't get me away from the screens. You have turned 6K into 18K this year already. You have your red days, but got to learn to cut the losers sooner. Dude, you 3X your account. You're a fucking monster, Marky Mark. Portfolio's up 14% on the day. Traffic lights, Matt. There you go, buddy. What would you do when the market goes 24 hours? I'd probably become a wildly unhealthy individual and just trade my ass off like the entire day. Dude, that is filthy. You guys are crushing it with us, dude. I love seeing it. You're never going to see results like this anywhere else, man. Let's see. Are we TikTok famous yet? I don't think so. Oh my God, I'm TikTok famous. Oh my God, Mom. I can never take a long vacation. I'd go nuts. Yeah. Every once in a while, I like it, like a little bit. Depends on where I am. Like, I wouldn't take a vacation here. Like, I wouldn't just like take a day off. I'd be like, that's stupid. I'll just work. Like, what am I gonna do? Sit around all day long? My friends all work. It's like, what are we gonna do? If I was like in Florida or something, just hanging out, I'd still work. Even on like the Christmas week, dude. I literally went to Florida and then just hung out with you guys the entire time. Every single day that it was nice out, I was inside streaming. And then the 2 days that it was not nice out, it was the 2 days that I had free. And I was like, this is bullshit. I hate the weather. The weatherman is coming after me. They're running the anti-STV algo on the fucking weather now. Like, Tyler Trader, it's women, not woman. 24 hours, only good if volume stays high. The volume sort of, yeah, it would. I mean, that's kind of what futures are like too. Like I was watching ES last night and I was like, this would kind of suck to trade right here. Ooh, SPY, traffic light into the upside. Let's see what we get. I think I wouldn't sleep if the market was 24/7. That's why I don't trade crypto or futures, because I would never stop. Like, imagine I had the ability to like fuck around with the traffic lights 24/7. I make enough money during the day with them, guys. I'd go fucking crazy. I'd literally go nuts. All right, 30 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Love you guys. All right, folks. What's the market going to do into close? Are we going to get a nice little ripski, or are we just going to chop around and do some bullshit? Let's see on this episode of Fuck Around and Find Out Fridays, also known as Casual Fridays, depending on where you're watching from. So, team, we're hitting that 1 minute 48 EMA over here. Ooh, we're blasting through. We're shooting up right now. We do have a level right here at 395 flat. Let's see if we can beat it. We're at 394.85 right now. Let's see. I'd be a great auctioneer, bro. Let's move to Dubai and not have capital gains taxes. Oh, yeah, that too. Oh, John, that's great, bro. How do you join the free week? You're trying to get your friend to join? Faust, make sure you get your affiliate code so that if he stays, you can make a little bit of money. But all you have to do is sign up. The coupon code's automatically input into the coupon code section. But if for some reason it's not, it's just all caps code free trial. It should be. You ought to put it 115. Why, John? Why are you buying puts here? You missed the traffic light. You just missed it. Or Chris. I don't understand this. I mean, maybe if you're looking for a 1 minute rim, but it's already made a big move. I went lifetime early this month, and what really hit me was Gabe's talk about an actionable system. The hardest part about trading is knowing when to pull the trigger. Yeah, or when not to. Because it's been rimming forever. Yeah, I guess. But I mean, as long as you kept your stop tight, I mean, it looks like you made a buck or something. But I mean, again, that's fine. You get out of there with no loss, you're good to go. I mean, now you have this traffic light back to the upside. How much more proof do you guys need that traffic lights are fucking great? Traffic lights work on crypto and futures 24/7. Great way to practice with low money. Yeah, dude, they do. I don't know. Maybe I'll start. I know what's gonna happen, dude. I will never leave this seat. I'll just continuously trade. All right, guys. 25 likes away from 100. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you. Yeah. So you ran up to that 200 EMA there. That's the scale out point if you have this. I mean, that's what I would do. I'm not in it, but this thing moved pretty quick up there. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's see. Imagine Gabe trading crypto 24/7. I don't think he would. He doesn't like crypto. He does not like crypto. Mainly crypto brokers. I don't either. I mean, why would we? I don't trust anything. 9.85% on the portfolio this week. Atta boy, Ice Tim. Atta boy. You guys are killing it, dude. You guys, yeah, resistance at the 200 there. Huh. It's almost like we know what the fuck we're doing around here. Let's see if it breaks through. I mean, that's the scale out point, but we'll see. No joke. When I completely buy into the traffic light plus stop loss strategy, I win. When I hesitate and overanalyze or do what I previously learned from other sources, I lose. I'm all in 1348, bro. Iron Mike, that's literally, I love that right there because that's literally everything that we've been talking about. Listen to this again, everybody in the live chat. No joke. When I completely buy into the traffic light and stop loss strategy, I win. When I hesitate or overanalyze or do what I've previously learned from other sources, I lose. I'm all in 1348. Yeah. Exactly. When I'm calling out all this other bullshit out there and stuff, why do you guys think that is? It's not like I'm talking about things that I don't know. Like that's the thing. Like I've tried a lot of this stuff before. Like when you're looking for strategies that work, you're like, oh, I'll see how this works. Da, 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 da. Like you guys remember I was using like the little bit of supply and demand at one point, and I was just like, this is not helpful. Just play the damn traffic lights. I mean, everybody's different, but at the end of the day, guys, Follow the damn rules that we teach you, and you're going to have a much higher probability of success than just follow trading or listening to this other bullshit that people are trying to throw down your ears. Every single time. Turn to red day into green. Atta boy, Iron Mike. Again, stick to the system. You got to buy into the system in order for it to work. Everybody has access to this for 2 weeks for free. Other people make it so fucking complicated. Exactly, bro. And here's the thing. It's not complicated. I have a video that I posted on TikTok last night that I'm about to release on Instagram a little bit later today. Making $100,000 or $1 million in the market by trading is not hard. It's not difficult. The act of trading is not difficult. When you have a method that's proven to work over time, it is not hard. What's hard is your emotions and your discipline and you being like a little strategy whore trying to pop around and be like, whoa, because you're looking for that one, like the 100% system that never exists. You're chasing, what is it? You're just chasing something that you're never going to catch. You're on the rabbit wheel. I will show you guys proof every single fucking day of how powerful this system is. It's up to you to then listen. It's up to you to manage your emotions and your discipline and risk management. Like, guys, there's so much bullshit out there, and you have to, I know a lot of you guys are starting to realize this, but like, I'm like, not a dum-dum. The printed levels of support and resistance. Yeah. I mean, I've played those too. Like today on the SPY, I played this. I played this bounce off this level right here. RSI crossing above its moving average after a bounce of the level. Boom, I slapped it. Thank you. You guys saw me do it on Tesla yesterday as well. And that's a part of our system and strategy. You just want that 150x move where I can YOLO and retire forever. You're never going to get it, and you're going to lose a bunch of money in the market. Don't make me go off on a fucking rant on you because you're literally behaving. Okay, here's why. Okay, ready? This is going to piss some of you guys off. Why is retail called dumb money? It's not just them talking down to people that maybe don't have less money than them. There's a reason why they call retail dumb money. There's a reason. Because most of them are. Most of them, Damien, this is going to hurt. But most of them actually think like that. I'm not sure if you're being serious in the live chat right now, but institutions call retail dumb money for a reason. Why would you continue acting in a way if you don't want to be called that is literally textbook being stupid in the market? I'm being a dumbass? No, that's fair. Like you can say like, but the thing is that people actually seriously think like that in the market. And that would make the institutions completely and 100% right. Is what it is, bro. It's almost like if you sleep around with a lot of people and then somebody calls you a hoe, it's like, okay, like you're doing the actions to make that person say it. So you can't then come around and be like, why do they call us that? It's like, because you fucking act like it. That's why. Don't act like that. That's what 1348 is here for, to get you guys out of that mindset of YOLO bullshit. I really hope some of you guys are listening to that right now. You have really not a whole lot of time to get your 2 weeks for free. Or like a less stupid example. Imagine if everybody calls you an asshole, but you like act like an asshole to everybody. And then you're like, why does everybody think I'm an asshole? It's like, because you're a fucking idiot. That's why. Like it doesn't like if I had a genie, and it gave me 3 wishes, I would wish that it would give humans in general much better logical reasoning skills. What time frame do you use 1348 on? I mean, I use the traffic lights on the 1, you can use it on the 5, you can use it on the daily, you can use it on the 4 hour, all of them. We have something for everybody. Everybody. SCV acts like a piece of meat, therefore he is. All right, fair enough. I don't feel dumb anymore after this. Good. I mean, again, I want you guys to not feel dumb. And that's the thing. Like, people might think that, like, the idiots are going to be like, oh, you hate retail. It's like, no, I'm the one helping you, moron. Like, come on now. A5 Wagyu. Oh, nice, guys. Nice. Thanks. Appreciate it. Yeah. So again, last chance, 2 weeks for free. Top of the live chat. I'll throw it in here for you guys too. You get the daily 4 hour. You get everything. You're trying to subscribe, but it's not letting you. Interesting. That happened like once or twice today. So again, keep trying it. If not, reach out to where's Diana? Or you can send us an email, things like that. I mean, I don't know why it some people it goes right through, some people it doesn't. Second interview update, I'm still working on it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it. Spy retesting support right now? No, this is exactly why we use the stop loss strategy on the traffic lights. Boom, you scale out at the 200, you throw a stop to break even, and then it goes, oh, great, it might do it. Then boom, stop down profit. Bing, bing, boom, done. But Muapo, here's what you should do. If you are continuously having issues, I would go to the Trade 1348 Twitter account. You would, because they have a link in their bio of the free part of our Discord. You sign up for that free. Again, you just go to the free portion of it. And then you can put a question in the questions area, and they will help you out, making sure you get in. But yeah, for everybody else, 2 weeks for free. Time's running out. Serious question. We couldn't get back above the 50 moving average until January. So now if we lose again, I mean, I don't use those. I mean, I'll literally just look at it in terms of traffic lights, 1348 and everything like that. It's going to tell you where the momentum's going to go. I mean, you can look at the golden cross, but like, I don't. So now we're moving back down. This is a perfect example of the stop loss strategy. That video is linked in this description too. If you guys haven't seen that yet, you need to. On the weekly, everyone bear market assessor cleaned it and never lost until the next bear market. Oh, interesting. I mean, I almost just don't care though. At the end of the day, like if I'm gonna be scalping on the 1 minute, I don't really care what the weekly says. Like I really don't. I'm just gonna keep siphoning money out of the market with all you guys every single day, and then we're good to go. Like, yeah, like if I swing something, maybe I'll look at the weekly. But it's a slightly different type of analysis. But I mean, I've got those videos out for you guys too on swinging with the traffic lights and everything like that. So I mean, you're looking at potentially if you can break 394.30, 394.29, you might get towards the lows. Traffic light. Hope you're doing well. Adventure Joe, you too, buddy. You got puts on TQQQ, waiting for your Soxel puts to pay off to finish your week. There you go, buddy. Tessie, is Tessie getting one too? Tessie's hunting one. You got potentially $1. You got this hanging out down here. And you got this hanging out in this level down here. I don't know. Any more speakers? Yeah, they're speaking right now. 1:30 was the next time that they were going to start speaking. Colin says to expect more rate hikes to hit sufficiently high level. Oh, here we go. This was at 1:30 exactly. So sees Fed holding rates for some perhaps extended time. Recent data reinforced my view the Fed has more work to do. Pivot, boys. Max Payne. Let's see here. You feel a rip coming at 3 p.m.? Well, we'll see. We will see, won't we? Let's see. All right, guys. Ooh, we are 16 likes away from 100. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, I'm done for the day over here. Had a nice week here. Not bad. It was a short week though. Short week. Tesla on the 4 hour. Oh, that looks good, dude. I mean, you've got that doesn't look bad. I mean, I wouldn't buy this is the thing. I wouldn't buy it when it's down 3. I would wait for a 5-minute. I mean, let's throw this on the 5, see how it looks. Nah, I would need this thing to run up in order for me to feel more comfortable taking that swing. So. Yeah, it did. I mean, it did break, but you have more levels down below. Like you have, where is it? It's these wicks. This right here. 192.50 basically. Dollar's been stuck at this level all day long. Leo, you really like the dollar. I've like stopped looking at it a lot more. It's just not like it's not helping you. Your eyes are on test. Yeah, if you hit it again, dude, that's gonna be disgusting. Have they talked about a higher terminal rate? No. Not really. We've got like it's your fault. Yeah, I know. I mean, I liked it for a bit and then they kind of broke it. It was really useful when we saw the Bank of England shit, the Bank of Japan stuff. Now it's like, I just don't use it as much anymore. I mean, I'll just use the traffic lights and be good to go. Oh, I'm excited for tonight, man. It's time for the playground. You sold all your Tesla stock yesterday, so you're biased. That was a good sell, bro. It's a decent sell. All right. Yeah, Spy's just screwing around with his 1 minute 200 again. Stop. I mean, that was a good sell, dude. Tesla doesn't, yeah. It doesn't look bad. Especially with the new data that's been coming out, man. It doesn't look bad. And just bother a little. That's fine. That's fine. Oh no! My pivot! Oh no! Our table! All right, let's see if Spy wants to get a little break here. It's kind of cold in here now. Do they have lap dances at the playground? No. They don't. They don't do that there. Let's see. Oh, it's broken! All right, guys. 8 likes away from 100. Who is going to be lucky number 100, team? Let's see. Who is it going to be? Chris, no idea. Not looking at it. The whole 8 things a fucking scam. Retail got fucked. I told everybody. People sent me death threats, and then they decided to listen to the people that they thought had their best interests and were smarter than me, which is really a dumb thing to try and do. And then it falls like fucking 70%, and then I'm sitting here like, well, that sucks, but I was right. So I mean, I just don't care. What's me? What's up, Dan? Am I bearish on the market? I mean, I'm not bullish. I'm not really fully bearish either. Led to the slaughter. Yeah, sucks. Hopefully you guys learned your lesson, though, of who to actually listen to and who knows what the fuck is going on in this market, dude. Next time, don't feed into your confirmation bias. Teaser, Jesus. Had to rewatch the table clip. Oh no, our table. Sometimes people have to learn the hard way. You can hate it. Doesn't change the reality. No, he's just joking. Todd Bailey, what's up, bud? How you doing? Spy getting a little push through this 1 minute 200 here again. No, Teaser's just joking. You can sacrifice me though. Sacrifice. What? I like kind of need a nap or something, bro. I'm like kind of tired. Let's see. What was the date about today? PCE. A little higher than expected. That's kind of why the market sold off like it did. No nap. Kind of need one though. Or ready? Or if we don't nap, we could just have like 15 tequila Red Bulls. How about that? How about that? Spy filing bankruptcy? No. Right back near open? Yeah. Jesus. Better start now. Nah. I don't even have a Red Bull. I do have tequila. I don't have Red Bull though. I have to make tequila coffee, which would suck. You'll do vodka Red Bulls? That's fine. I'll probably end up with some of those later. If they put limes in it though, and I have to like drink pulp, I'm gonna cry. You know? All right, team. Again, make sure that you guys are securing your 2 weeks for free. That is ending like really soon, like incredibly soon. So get your ass in there before it's too late. Let's see. Single malt. Yeah, dude. I love them. There goes his finger. My finger's fine. I mean, not really. It's kind of mangled, but it's okay. It doesn't hurt unless I play golf. My back is what's fucked up right now. Are tequila Red Bulls called Liquid Cialis? I don't think so. Oh, yeah, I have that one. I had a bottle of that for a while. It's gone now. I think I had the 12. Those are good. Would you say that the 2-week free trial ends today at market close? It might. Today might be the day. It makes a lot of sense that today would be the last day to get in for the 2 weeks for free. It's the last day of the week. We've got some shit coming. I've told you guys for a while. The prices are going up. Everybody that's in before gets grandfathered. The 2 weeks free won't be around forever. And I've been telling you guys this week, I've been firing the final warning shots. So if you, again, nothing's going to change about your current situation unless you don't take action. If you're going to sit there on your ass all the time, it's never going to change for you. Are they Wreck-It Ralph? That's what people call them. But yeah, guys, the link's at the top of the live chat if you guys want to hop in. Enough warnings? I don't know. We're about to pull the plug. Let's see here. Hola. What's up, Tom Fraser? How you doing, buddy? My back is not having fun right now. On the struggle train. All right, SPY peeking up there. Nice. Nice, man. Enough to lay people get it today. Don't be lazy. Or moniker. Yeah, I mean, even the new people are coming in and printing. It's awesome to see. It is awesome to see. So let's kind of see what the SPY is going to give us over here. I don't think much, man. I really don't think much. I mean, it could go on a nice little run up to there, that 396 level that it's topped out at a few times, but we'll see. You want a Huracan? That'd be cool. Sitting in a chair will kill you. You have to have a desk job. Yeah. It's not so much that. It's more so like I slept and then I woke up and then my back was fucked up. So it is what it is. Sometimes that's just the way the cookie crumbles, you know? Huracans are kind of cool. Not for me. They're not my favorite car, but I mean, if you want one and that's your goal, go get one. You're old. I'm 23, bro. I shouldn't. I mean, this is like the same spot, same side every time, every damn time. Fuck. You've been saying all kinds of boomer shit and now back pain. Yep, it is what it is, man. Struggling. I'm on the struggle train. I think I'll be all right though. I think I'll live. I think I will live. So we'll see. No, I use a golf ball and just shove it in the spot and it hurts. Do you think not having a long-term port will hurt you? Yeah, I don't know why you don't have one. Everybody should have one. SPY coming back to intraday high. I mean, you've got this level up here at 396 that I would have to get through first. Can I get a PO box to send you life alert? No. You cannot. Shove it in the spot, like right here. I'll put the golf ball right here and just like lay on it and just roll around. And then I literally give myself max pain and then it loosens it up a little bit. What if I have a big port to use to pay bills like Gabe? Gabe has a long term as well. Everybody should have a long term. It's not like Gabe just doesn't have one. Like he just, and again, like it's all relative. Like his trading account is like X amount, and his long term is probably way bigger than that. My grandma fell once and pressed the life alert button, and no one came. That's a lawsuit right there, bro. That is very sad. That is very sad. You started a Roth with your old works 401k. Nice. Nice. I don't think I can have a Roth now. I think I'm like not allowed. I think there's like a rule where if you like make too much, you can't do it, which is kind of a bullshit rule. That's like one of the rules about like tax savings that like doesn't benefit like the wealthy. Like everybody else has them. Like imagine if you're making like $10 million a year and they're like, you can put $5,000 into a Roth. They're gonna be like, fuck you. Like why? Dude, imagine you just had like, imagine you were making like 20 mil a year and they're like, yeah, you can only put $5,000 into it. If I was in that position, I would just YOLO the fucking $5,000. I'd be like, fuck it. Like, I don't need it anyway. Like, think about it. If you're making that much money and you could like just randomly YOLO stuff in a Roth, why wouldn't you? Let's see here. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Get some more people in here. Remember, Last chance, 2 weeks free. And for all you guys that are existing members, make sure you reach out to Diana before 4 p.m. today to make sure you can upgrade and get access to all the masterclass stuff this weekend and beta access. Weeble's converting to Apex. They're already Apex, I thought. You can't have a Roth? Oh, that sucks. But doing options on a retirement account makes sense. How quickly could you? No, it doesn't really make sense. Like 32% on the day? Choo-choo. Fuck yeah, bro. You guys are crushing it. I love seeing. Bro, you made 32% on the day? That's ridiculous. That's amazing. Congratulations, man. 1348 gang for the win. That's awesome, bro. I talk a lot. That's my job. My job is to talk a lot. You and Gabe changed my life. Thank you. Choo choo. No, buddy. Thank you, man. I appreciate all you guys coming in, especially with all the nonsense out there. People trying to be like, no, do this, follow my trades. And the fact that you guys actually came in to the actual right place to learn how to trade speaks a lot to the quality of person that you are, man. Congratulations. You are crushing it. You're thinking tax free? Yeah, but I mean, you can do it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can trade in Roths, but I'm not sure. I don't have one. I have my big long term that just kind of sits there, and I'll just keep running that one up. And then if I need to one day, I'll just take out lines of credit against it if I can. Depending on what's in it and how volatile it is and what they're going to give me. You can trade in a Roth? Interesting. Yeah, I didn't know that. Well, I did know that. I thought you could. I just didn't know for sure. I want that long term to be 7 figs, which would be really cool. The new broker, so to speak. We will only hold you cash, something along those lines. Interesting. Here's the thing. People are probably going to try to make some big noise about that. It's a fucking nothing burger. Nothing's going to change. Run before the dump? Maybe. Maybe. I mean, let's see what happens if we get up to that 396 level again. If you blast through with some speed, I mean, you might get going. Yeah, make sure you guys are following me on TikTok and Instagram too. Short the VIX1. There you guys go. Get some of that juice over there. We've been cranking it on Instagram recently. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Last season of Succession confirmed. Ooh, I got to start watching that again. Oh, did they really say that? Fucking morons, bro. Jesus. Fucking aliens could show up and they're going to be so self-centered to be like, it's about us. Jesus, man. Every time. Not everything in the market is about you. Let's see. I couldn't imagine going through life with that level of self-entitlement. All right, you're getting close. You're getting close to that 396 here. Let's see if we can get there. Probably just chop around 395 until close. That's what I would say, but who knows? It's happening! Taint? Ryan, why are you talking about taints? What? What, bro? What is going on here? What is going on here? All right, let's see. We got any more you affiliates to approve? Let's see. Ooh, we got a few. What's up, team? I don't know what you're talking about here, Ryan. I really don't. All right, let's see here. Market's moving up a little bit. Let's see. Don't call him Andrew Tate. Bro, that's not. Is that who you're talking about, Ryan? No way. Don't hate on the boys that way. Oh my god. No way. No. That can't be right. That can't be correct. All right, you're trying to test it here. Let's see if it wants to run up here. Yeah. Iowa? If we went to Iowa from here, that would be a filthy move. Leo's chanting Iowa. Uh-oh. Are you going to get some Iowa? For those of you guys that don't know, one time in the sorry, my elbow. The broken one that we talked about earlier is like fucking up. So somebody's auto corrected the New Lows to Iowa one time. And now we just call New Lows Iowa because it's fun. Little sell off to that 13. That song stuck in your head. Which one? The Rocky theme song or the Tate theme song? Max Payne? I don't give a shit about Max Payne. Max Payne's only real if you get paid. It's like the Tooth Fairy. That's it. I'm turning on the Top G song. Do it, bro. Do it. Let it fly. Put the speakers on full blast. When you guys aren't here with me, I just throw my headphones in and then just blast like gangsta rap and then just trade my ass off. That's what I do all day. How can 1348 get the Tates out of jail? I don't think we really can at this point. I lost my whole port because I invested in this girl's OnlyFans DM. She never responded to me again. I love you, 600. Mr. Producer, make the best shows. So if you guys actually go way back on my Twitter, before any of you guys knew who he was, I have tweets of Tate quotes. You have to go way back. Like it's before last December, like before like 2021 December. You guys are all like hopping on the bandwagon. You guys didn't know about Tate Confidential like way back in the day. Like if you go back, there's like tweets on my account with like some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, fuck you, STV. Whatever, bro. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. So this is before you were a boomer. Yeah. Why would you want to join his wagon? Why not? Why not? It's a fun time. It's always entertaining. I'm heavily entertained. Let's see. Exactly. Why not, bro? Rechase to 395.10, then boom. Why that? I mean, I would say if you're going to retrace anywhere, you're getting 395.25, 1 minute 200. We look at SPY in the daily. Are we in the uptrend? We're losing it. We're losing whatever uptrend that we had. You get the daily traffic light a couple days ago. Oh, look, you get this retest here. at 401 down to all the way here. Money. Good traffic light there. They're everywhere. You guys can't hide from the traffic lights. They are everywhere, dude. Don't miss them. Every day, there's people changing their lives with the traffic lights. Every day. Where we pay for the alerts on angles. What's up, Aaron? How you doing, buddy? Let's see. Honestly, kind of boring price action here, especially being done for the day. It's like, no one traffic light should have all this power. Kanye West, probably. Yeah. Traffic lights are nasty, dude. I love them. Look at this one. This one I missed. This one was filth. This one was dirty. These are all like 30, 40, 50% gainers. This one was nasty from 395.50 to 394.29. That's a dirty one. SPY's basically where it's hanging around at open right now. It is. What's the actual open? 395.39. Yeah, it's hanging right around at open. Ooh, 22 likes away from 150. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Thank you, team. All right. Let's see. Here comes the money. All right. SPY. What are we going to do here? What are we going to do? Very slow, man. Very, very, very slow afternoon. I mean, you had these nice moves. This was a little bit exciting up here, but I mean, if you were using the stop loss strategy, you were able to ride this up to here, stopped out in profit, and you're good to go. Slow today, except for that first fall. This one was good. This rip up was good. These moves down were good. There's a lot of good moves on the SPY today. I think, I only traded SPY today. I mean, on Fridays, I only trade SPY. For a couple reasons. So since SPY has expiration dates every day, which I actually really like, I can play 1 day to expiration every single day, which I love. Which is what I do with the you listen to the Tate song, what a banger. Isn't it pretty dope? So I can play 1 day to expiration every single day. Now, if I'm gonna play single stocks on the 1 minute, I like to play weekly. So when I'm looking at a Friday and I'm like, well, I have to play the next week's, they're not going to move as much. So you have to be, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to scalp them unless you size it up a little bit. So I would just rather trade the SPY on Fridays if I'm going to trade anything. Chance of a recovery? I mean, maybe the data's not looking good. You're getting that typical sell-off that we kind of need. Do you know when 0 days became a thing in the market? You mean like every day? I mean, technically, when there's an expiration date, it's always 0 day. Like if it's that expiration date, it's 0 day. So it would be on the inception of option, like of when the options market happened. Because like technically, every Friday would be a 0 day. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday would be for SPY. You've been sticking to the 5 minute on Fridays playing next week. Yeah, that's fine. Like if I were to play single stocks, I would just be looking at the 3 or the 5 minute. Serenity now. Here's something that you're going to learn. Chart patterns are bullshit. Bullshit, dude. So again, we created the 1348 platform for people like you. Hopefully you take advantage of it because we are taking away that 2-week free trial. Probably, maybe today. So hop in there. I mean, again, like I have that. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram too. Like we did that whole video about why like chart patterns are nonsense. There's 4 main reasons as to why. And if you think logically about it, it makes no sense to trade them ever. Actionable. I mean, yeah, it is actionable, but I would play next week's if you're gonna do it. And again, it's all in the rules. It's all in the curriculum videos, all like 20 something of those curriculum videos that we have for you guys. If the 1 minute's too fast for you, the 3 is smoother and safe to trade too. Yeah, I took a trade basically on the 2 minute today as well. That was pretty good. Just like how we talked about in the masterclass with you guys. You trade with horror screams playing in the background for total concentration. I don't think that's gonna make you concentrate, bro. You're debating what I like better. I like the 1 the best. The 1's my favorite. The 2 can help to confirm. The 5 is good for next week trades to stay in some plays a little bit longer, but I love the 1. I live by the 1 minute traffic lights, dude. The 1 minute traffic lights are gonna get you got a lot of you guys on those millionaire interviews that we're gonna do. Let's see. Woo! We are 15 likes away from 150. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Dude, you guys are crushing it. All right. So you're making that attempt back up to 396. There's the tap. Let's see. Ryan, you know what I mean by that. Next week expiration. Leo got the Mr. Producer song stuck in my head. Any more inflation related data gonna be out next week? Let's take a look. I don't think so. Home price index, maybe. Pending home sales is going to be interesting on Monday. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy next week. Hold on. All right, let's see. Yeah, you're rejecting that 396 right now, which is, I mean, to be expected at first. Let's see if we get a retest and then the blast through. You're thinking 2 to 3 is a good balance of both? Yeah. Yeah, I like them both. Like when I was getting into these SPY trades earlier when I wasn't streaming, I was flipping back and forth between like the 5, the 3, the 2, the 1. Like I was going all the way back and forth. 1 minute chart moves real slow after let's stop. Is the Fed done? I think there's a couple more. No, we're done with the Fed speakers now. Dude, I don't even use this anymore, this Webull chart. I don't use it ever. I could almost like delete it. The charts that we give you guys for free are fucking nasty. Looks like the Fed will raise interest rates by 50 basis points. I mean, they should. It doesn't mean that they will, though. They should have done a 50 at the last meeting. They should not have gone to the 25s. They should have done at least another 50 before they went down to 25s. But again, I'm not in charge of the Fed, so. Like when you see all the data starting to come out hot, it's like, come on, bro. $395.88. Why is that your specific level there? Where are you getting this from? I mean, I don't think that's the level. And even then, you can't necessarily treat levels like, oh, if it breaks above, it's going to 100% rip. I just play the momentum on it and use the levels as kind of like a guide, like the street signs. Or like a navigation system. Like if I hit a level, it's like, you should probably slow the fuck, or like a speed limit or a stop sign or something like that. I like bounces off levels too, though. Bounces off levels are sweet. I've done that a few times. Like yesterday's Tesla trade was nasty off the levels there. The SPY trade that I took today, that I was sized nicely on this one too. That if I held this, I would have been having a great time. I think I literally played it up to here, this 48, and then I was pretty much out. That was just a level bounce. You want 390? Remember what we were saying? We could just randomly end up at 390 very quickly over like 3 days. And I mean, again, if Monday we drop again, like not like you get a 2% down day on Monday with pending home sales or something coming out crazy, like yeah, you could definitely see 390. Let's see. You've been using an unorthodox method that's serving you well. Asking to compare it to see how you see it. It's also retested the specific number twice now. See how it compares. Easy, bro. I'll probably tell you right now, it's not going to have any comparison to what we do, and it's going to probably lose. It's been involving geometry. Yeah, so we use some geometry in some of the things that we do, but the fact remains, you're probably overcomplicating it, and that's the thing that people try and do. They try to outsmart the market. It's not going to happen. Again, momentum is probably the best way to look at things. The traffic lights are the most powerful indicator that retail has ever had access to, and you can see it by the gains that everybody's making with them. So again, you can screw around with like what you're doing here with your geometry and stuff, and if it works for you, great. Just know that there are better things out there that you could be using, and they're a lot simpler. Another rejection of the 100. Yeah, so we're slipping here. So you got that 396 test and rejected. That's kind of what we were looking for. Like, you never want to overcomplicate something that doesn't need to be overcomplicated. Why was I looking for the rejection? It's just a key level. Like, remember, I would treat that as like a stop sign. Like, you've seen it on the 1 minute come up to this level once, twice. You come up to there's basically a third time, rejected, fourth time, rejected again. It doesn't like getting above that 396 today. So here it comes screaming right back down. Yeah, and geometry alone isn't enough. There's a lot more that goes into it. So again, I mean, they're like our system. I feel like you guys have seen it by now. Works really, really, really well. So if you want to come in there and learn no follow trading bullshit, we keep things super simple for everybody. Mainly to get you guys beginners up to speed, and the fact that the market is not as complicated as everybody says it is. So there it is, right there. 2 weeks for free. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. That time's running out. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. Let's see here. It's easy to overcomplicate things. Yeah, it is. It really is. And once you overcomplicate things enough, here's the thing. When people overcomplicate things in the market, this is what they do. And it's a weird, I'm going to try and think of a way as I'm saying this here to explain this perfectly, which I'm probably not going to be able to do. What they're doing is they're overcomplicating it and thinking that they're onto something, and then the market's going to be random as usual. So they're going to think that they're onto something, then it's going to go against them, and the data is going to be imperfect that they're receiving. So it's going to come out as around 50-50 most of the time when they try to overcomplicate things. But then that leads them to believe that there's potential for that thing to actually crack it. And no, that's not how it works. Remember, guys, when you think about the market, it's broken down in 3 pillars: method, mindset, money management. The method, please, for the love of God, keep it simple. You guys know exactly what we're doing over here with 1348 and all the different tools that we provide. But what separates everybody from having success versus not is solid risk management. With our risk management that we teach you guys, I could probably take trades randomly at any spot on the chart and then have some decent success just because I can manage my risk appropriately. Like, if I just look at the chart and I was just like, let's say I was just using levels, I could probably still do all right. With the traffic lights, and when you can front run every big move in the market, it's game over, bro. Game over. Let's see. So again, time's running out. You guys want to hop into the best place to come and learn how to trade? You know where to find us. If not, you want to keep following these other idiots out there that just tell you what you want to hear and fucking use shit that doesn't work, go for it. By all means, we'll just keep sitting over here making our money. Why is the market down? PCE data was hot. PCE data was a little spicy this morning. You're seeing a little volatility here. I'm probably just, I mean, not even probably. I am sitting this one out. My phone's going crazy over here. Hold on. Okay, cool. Would like to join, but wondering what trading platforms Canadians use. Thank you. Can somebody answer that? I know we have a lot of Canadians in here in our community as well. What for those of you guys that are trading from Canada, what brokers do you guys like? I think it's Interactive Brokers is the one that a lot of you guys use. But yeah, don't think that because you live in somewhere else, you have a job that you can't do this. I mean, we have high school students doing this. We've got elder like people who are like older that have like don't have like great grasp of technology, and everybody's able to have success. Like, don't limit yourself. If you go in thinking that, oh, I can't do it because of this, you've already lost. But yeah, I think it's Interactive Brokers. But anybody that's Canadian in here, I think Questrade was one that people were using. Interactive Brokers, most reliable, full service. Nice. Yeah. Make sure you guys hop in there, though. 2 weeks free. And it's the perfect day, man, because you guys have all weekend to go through all of those curriculum videos. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of information that you need to digest. But going into next week, you'll be all good to go. Don't stop me out. Take me to Iowa. Leo, you would 100% be stopped out here if you're trading the traffic light. Well, I don't know what you're doing here. Don't try to outsmart the market, buddy. Secure the fucking bag says it doesn't really matter. CK, I use InvestorLine, but that is only because it's the one I've set up forever. Pick one, try it out. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I know. Well, I think it's Wealthsimple is the one with the high fees. There's one with high fees that you don't want to. Oh, is Questrade the run that's crazy expensive? Yeah, so then Interactive Brokers. I don't know though, like because I'm not in Canada, but you guys have always said Interactive Brokers is good. Catch y'all later. Enjoy your weekend. Let me know how the playground goes, Vix. It's gonna be a fun time. Gonna be a fun time. Buddy of mine in Toronto uses Interactive Brokers. You have to exchange Canadian to USD, so you need like 30 to 45K to get over the 25K USD mark. Yeah, I mean, or you could have a cash account if they offer it. Let's see. Thanks so much. I've been watching you for a year. CK, awesome, man. No better time to hop in than today. How did the state of Iowa become the name for low of day? That seems rude to Iowa folks. Okay, it's because one time somebody typed in new lows and it auto-corrected to Iowa. I don't know how, but that's why we call new lows Iowa. Like, you're going to give your gains to Rick this weekend? Have fun. I bet Rick appreciates you. If you want to just do it with shares, tech, Wealthsimple, or even Mogo tickers, maybe limited, but limited fees. Oh, that's not bad. Tom, oh boy, I hope you're not doing that. It's okay. It's your money. You can do what you want. You need to get better at knowing when not to enter. If you don't mind, why would someone avoid the 5-minute cross on the spot right now? Let me look at the 5-minute. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I mean, here's the entry. Do you know where the entry is here after this cross on this candle? Retest of this 13 at 395.45. You'd already be green. So when you see it, when there's separation between price action and the 13, I always will wait for a retest. And if I can't get it, then I don't trade it. But you would have been perfect. Oh, Tom, there you go, buddy. Misunderstood it there. Let's see. You're in Iowa. It's not rude. It's accurate. Oh boy. Oh, you guys are talking shit about Iowa. I love it. I love it. That's funny. Thanks to the Iowa explanation. No problem, buddy. No problemo. Your cross on the previous candle. Make sure you have real-time data. So on TradingView, you need ARCA, New York Stock Exchange, and NASDAQ, and you'll be good to go. But this is the perfect retest here. If you want to hit this, your risk is a closing candle below the 13 or the 48 even, and then you're good. Or like if you look at this 5-minute traffic light here, you can basically use the 48 as your risk and you're green the entire time. So the traffic light on the 5-minute was the better entry here. Again, the traffic lights are filthy, dude. Like just nasty. Look at this. Bing. Dead. You're welcome. I'm kind of tired. I am kind of tired. I need to figure that out, you know? It's a Friday. We fucking crushed it as usual this week. A candle late. Then that's interesting. It shouldn't be. You're chilling right at 396 right now. Do you have extended hours on? Oh, yeah, you definitely need extended hours on too. But if you're using our charts, I mean, it should all be the same. Oh, you have Heikin-Ashi candles on? Ah, that might be it. That might be it. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way. We're almost at 150. We're 13 away. Who's going to be lucky number 150? I appreciate you guys. No regular candles? Huh. That's strange. I don't know. I would go into the Discord, screenshot it, and then ask around because I haven't seen your chart. I don't know what could potentially be wrong with it. Let's see. There's that 396 again. Let's see if we can get that close above. Your caller was at 210. Yeah, that's interesting. That is very interesting there. Do you have to have TradingView Premium? TradingView Pro is what you need in order to use the traffic lights. Mester's making comments? I don't think that's possible. I mean, they were talking at Mester's talk. Mester was at 10:15. Moving back up, breaking that 396. There you go. VWAP just popped on the spot. Did you get a volume push? Not really. It did pop up a little bit there. Let's see if this thing's going to turn and burn here up to day highs. That'd get interesting. Ooh, 3 likes away now. Who's going to be lucky number 150? Love it. Love it. Also, shout out to all the new members of the platform, guys. We're going to get you guys up to speed. Buy the fucking Pro. Yeah, you need TradingView Pro. Entering calls here feels like a chase. Well, it is. You missed the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, and the crop. Like, you just missed all of it. And it's coming towards the end of the day. Oh, what do we got here? A little knife candle off of 396. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O, right down to that 48. Oh, hold on. We going to get a little spicy in here? Hold your horses. Boom, your number 150. Thank you, team. All right, Mr. Spy, what are we going to get after here? That was a bit aggressive of you there. He's kind of spazzed out a little bit. He was just like, yeah, I'm having a great time. And just like short-circuited and dropped. Bounce off. Let's see. Killed that 396.12 level, 21% in 2 minutes. Attaboy, Wreck-It Ralph. There you go, buddy. Feels like they were baiting people into calls. Sort of. Yeah, that candle does kind of show that. Who knows, though? Because here's kind of how I operate in the market. It's very possible that there are institutions out there that are like manipulating stuff around on like the indexes. That doesn't fucking help any of us. You don't know when they're going to do shit. So if somebody's going to come in and say they're like the institutions are like moving shit around and it's losing me money, that's a cop out. You're just complaining about the market. It's like, okay, it's going to move around regardless. Play the damn momentum. You sit here screaming and crying all day long. That's not going to get you anywhere. You're like, oh my God, there's institutions moving the market. Yeah, no fucking shit, pal. There are $100 million orders in there. Yeah, it's going to move the fucking market around. Do you ever know when they're going to do it? No. So I don't really care at all. Like in terms of like short-term price action here. Don't give a shit. Because at the end of the day, if I'm going to sit here and just be like, where are they going to manipulate it? How the fuck am I going to make any money? I'm just going to sit here worrying about nonsense that may not even be true. Like, seriously. Okay. So institutions push the markets around. All right. Okay. You average 1.05% up on the port per day this week. That's fucking awesome. I love how you say pal. You like that? Yeah, exactly. The market's been manipulated for the last 15 years ago. And again, here's the other thing too. If this is the other wild thing that people can't do because they just are self-centered assholes most of the time. If the market gets quote unquote manipulated in their direction, what do? They don't complain. They don't complain. They're like, yeah, I like this. I'm making money. It's like, listen up, fucking asshole. It happens the other way too. You can't just sit there and be like, it gets manipulated up and or down in whatever direction that you have a position in. And it's like, it happens both ways. But they don't want to talk about that now, do they? Do they? I don't think they do, Leo. I think they already reported. They reported in January. They can't have earnings coming up that quick. Oh, we are getting into March. I mean, when is it? It's in March, end of March. So yeah, in about a month when the earnings cycle kicks back on. Like, seriously, you're going to sit here? Dude, like, come on now. You're going to sit here and just complain when the market goes in your favor? No, nobody's going to do that, but they will complain when it's like, no, it's because people are looking for external sources of things to blame if they didn't succeed. And people do it in everything. It's not just trading. They're like, and this is what we said last time. It's like, don't blame the refs, just play better. How about that? Stop, whatever, just like in a little analogy here. Why blame the refs? Just play better. Don't leave it up to them. That's why we have the traffic lights for you guys. You can play better. Quit acting like a victim, folks. Yep. Exactly. What's You're just riding this 48 up. That's all you're doing here. They have a special event coming up. Oh, is it like which one is it, Leo? Which event is it? February 27th? Yeah, what is it? That's interesting. Yeah, which one is it? In football, the weather can suck for both teams. It's how you mentally approach the game that matters. Exactly. And to bring it back to my favorite analogy, it's like golf. If it's raining, everybody is playing in the rain. If it's a shotgun tournament, everybody's playing in the rain. Don't complain about it. Just do the best with the situation when you have, or just play. Like, God, you gotta. I'm trying to help you guys so much here, and like, I can only help you guys so much. The main thing is you have to change the way that you're thinking and approaching the market, or else your results will not change. Every single time, guys, we're going to come back to the way that you approach the market and your emotional management and risk management. Every time. Seeking Alpha just informed you? Interesting. Tesla event. I don't know what the event is, but there is an event. Tesla's just consolidating chop bullshit over here. Same thing with the SPY. Approach everything as a winner, not a loser. Yeah. Golfing shotguns. That sounds like a good time. Pull! Just hitting flop shots and shooting the golf balls out of the sky. Ooh, little slippage here. So it slipped that 48. Let's see if it slips this 200. Let's see. So that was what we were talking about there. If it was going to come down and retest, it's the 1 minute 200. Let's see if it can hold. Some kind of Tesla investor day on March 3rd. Actually, I don't think it's actually that day. You shoot skeet in your yard. Oh, that's fun. I've wasn't that great at skeet, but I've hit a couple of 25 for 25s in trap before, which I don't think is that hard. Like, to me, that's not that difficult to do. But I mean, I don't know, pretty good. Yeah, I think so. Not a hedge fund. And then every single time we would be on the stream, I would just like bullshit. Both guys, I've been calling bullshit for like the better part of a year and a half. Those of you guys that stuck around, you're listening to the right people. Let's see. Yeah, it's always fun. It's always a good time. I have a special nickname for mine. My shotgun, it's an all black left-handed semi-auto. It's fucking beautiful. I've told you guys that story too, right? About when I was running around outside with it because like we had car break-ins. And it was just like me and my ex at my house and the car alarm starts going off. So I just grab it and just start running outside. I've told you guys that story before, right? And then it ended up being like I just hit the fucking like thing and turned on the alarm. You cray. Left-handed or left eye squint? No, I'm left-handed. I'm a lefty. Yep. Yeah, I'm lefty and on all of it. So like the problem then becomes like sometimes you'll get it coming out. Like if I'm shooting with like a right-handed, like you'll see like I'll see it come eject out this way. And the sights are kind of messed up too. They're not like messed up, but they're just slightly off. So the time that I hit the 25 for 25 was with the brand new equipment. I feel like I'm gonna get like banned on YouTube for saying this. But it was with the new equipment because we had to do something to it. And I was using the right-handed one, and I was like, I couldn't hit anything. I get the lefty one out there, 25 for 25. Lefties unite. Yeah, I write with my left hand too. I can throw. This is one of my talents. So when I was a kid, I used to pitch with both hands, and I had like the uniglove, so I could basically switch on the mound whenever I wanted to, and you couldn't tell which way I was going to throw it until I like started the windup. I've told you guys this before. I have a lot of random talents that like nobody gives a shit about. Throwing with both hands though, yeah, that's an interesting one. I think if I practiced being lefty better, I was better left-handed. It just felt strange. Adjust them? No. It's like it's not gonna. You right-handed, but all sports lefty. That's interesting. I think left-handed golfers are weird, just because their swings are usually all messed up. I don't know what the deal is with left-handed golfers, but I've never seen a left-handed golfer with just like a clean golf swing. Like Bubba swings like a dum-dum. Phil swings kind of weird. Let's see here. Except for swinging baseball bats or golf clubs. I can hit both sides too. Tesla isn't happy. Oh, Tesla broke down. You play hockey left-handed? I play hockey right-handed. I actually have never played hockey, but like I know I would play it right-handed. Dixie hot. Interesting. Is there a ticker for lefties? No. We just all murder the spy together every day with these traffic lights. You play soccer left-handed? You're penalty city over there, pal. I golf righty? Yeah. Yeah. All right. Spy back down to that 200. Let's see if it breaks. It's not breaking right now. Facebook just marching on the 5. Little rim here. Let's see. Francisco, thanks for the super, buddy. Hey, group. I'm a soccer coach in a club in Chicago. We have over 200 kids. We're doing a fundraiser to help families return with expenses. Would you help? I'll send the info on Market Talk. Hey, man. I'd have to talk to the team about that, but maybe. Maybe, yeah. If people are willing to help out, yeah, sure. I would just have to talk to the team about it. See if that's cool by us. But yeah. Not a hedge fund. Thanks for being a member for 13 months. That's longer than a pregnancy. While I worked at Life Alert, some dude's grandma was right-handed but pushed the button with her left hand, so we ignored her. Damn, man. That's tough, bro. I mean, you can't Cody was like actually being serious over there before. So I feel like that's a little bit of a reckless thing to say. Jesus. Let's see. Where's Scratch Golf when you need him? All right, bye. The September puts you took went up 8%. Meant to swing those. Guess I'll take the gains and come back next week. Nice, man. There you go. Oh, are you talking about Tessie? Yeah, I mean, I was looking at this on the 5-minute. Did you play the rejection? Oh, it never rejected. Yeah, if I were to look at a swing or something, I'd either play like a 200 rejection, a 5-minute down, a 5-minute traffic light, something like that, and get a bunch of time on it. I think that's what you're talking about here. I mean, that's all in the traffic light swinging video for you guys too. Well, let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. And remember, this is last chance. Get in for 2 weeks for free to the best trading platform on the face of the planet. Don't miss out, team. So the link's at the top of the live chat over there. I'll throw it in there for you guys too. You get real-time unusual options activity, all of the alerts on different time frames, the traffic lights. You're about to get Speed Racer as well, the 1-minute traffic light alerts. We have the 3 and the 5 coming in the future. You're going to get the, what do you call it? If you want to upgrade to lifetime, you get the master classes, the beta access, all of that, guys. I mean, there is so much crazy tools that we provide you guys. You'd have to be crazy to not at least come in for 2 weeks for free. And if you don't like it, you can just leave and you get to keep the chart once you download it. You're welcome. Keys to the kingdom. There you guys go. 2 weeks for free. Time is running out. That was funny. Can I describe Speed Racer? Yeah, it's 1-minute traffic light alerts on platform. We currently have the alphas testing it right now, and then it's going to get released to all lifetime and 3-year members for 2 weeks before everybody else, and then everybody gets the 1-minute traffic light alerts. What the heck? Let's see. Been killing it these past 2 weeks. However, dropped my iPad today at work. It exploded. Like, did it legit explode? Like, you literally dropped it and the iPad went kaboo? If that happened, that's a lawsuit. Because it's the battery in there. Because this used to happen. This almost happened with one of my old phones. The battery starts expanding, and if it expands too much, it can go boom, which is really bad. So hopefully, maybe there's this thing out there called iPad insurance that you could get. But if we're not seeing the alerts in Discord, is there something you should do? Can you see Market Talk, Danielle? Because you should be able to see everything. If you can't see Market Talk, you've been disconnected. I would say make sure you've your payment went through. And if not, and something's messed up, then you go into the questions channel and you should be able to get right back in. But I've been seeing the alerts come through. Did I see? My phone never blew up, but they told me it was gonna. Maybe they were just trying to scare me, and I was probably like 15 or something. Maybe I was probably older. Yeah, and also try relinking your Discord account through platform, and then you should be good to go. Tesla looking horribly weak. It doesn't look good, especially on the 5 minute here. The 1 minute traffic light. Boom. You're welcome again. You want the SPY flow, please? Well, since you said please, sure. Let's get it to you. Let's get it to you over here. Let's see. SPY. Yeah, guys, you guys all get the real-time unusual options activity on platform. Let's go with the Bink. I mean, you got some big ones over here. I mean, it's pretty mixed. Pretty mixed in general. I mean, you got some big puts coming through here. You do have some calls. I mean, these are short-dated puts. 600 contracts, 200 contracts, 60 contracts. Not bad. So nothing too crazy. Again, you can't just go based off of real-time unusual options activity. You can use it in tandem for the swings. But here's the thing that you guys have to realize. It goes back to what we were saying before about institutions moving markets around. If you're just going to blindly follow like big trades in the market, you are then assuming that they know something, which you have no idea that they actually do or not. It could just be some asshole degen gambling with a fuckload of money. It's not really actionable, but it does help. Like if I was looking at swings and I just saw a bunch of big put orders coming through, I'd be like, all right, well, this could be decent. It just serves as, what do you call it? As a little bit of an added bonus to, okay, this is what the chart's telling me. This is what's going on behind the scenes. Cool. Fired off. But yeah, you guys get real-time unusual options activity as well. You guys get access to everything. There goes SPY slipping that 200 there. Make sure your platform is connected with Discord. If so, uninstall and install the Discord app. Then go to the platform, refresh the page, connect it with Discord again. Thank you, Diana. I appreciate that. Yeah, and Diana is here too, team. So if you guys want to upgrade to the lifetime payment plan or 3-year, you guys have about an hour and 15 minutes until you're going to have to wait another week to get these wonderful masterclasses. If you want the live masterclass this weekend, which we might go over a little bit of the stop loss strategy stuff on, you're going to need 3-year for that. Got it? Perfect, Danielle. Perfect. NVIDIA. SPY little slippage. Nice little traffic light there. Happened to you yesterday? Yeah, it happened to me on, I think, Tuesday. I was like, hey, Andy, why can't I see this one thing? He was like, oh, whoops. I got the lifetime payment plan, so I can't wait to get last week's masterclass video. Faust, there we go, buddy. Also, institutions aren't degen like us. They could be doing a mix of strategy that none of us know about or understand. Exactly. It could just be a big hedge. It could just be a hedge, or it could be like part of a different trade, and people just like are like, oh no, it's going here. It's like that's not what it means. I don't think I had any like big trades today. Like big percentages. I don't think I did. I think they were all just base hits, which was sweet. Very, very, very sweet, man. Would you risk the 200 on the 1 minute? Well, that would be my risk if I was playing this, but I'm not. And you're late on the traffic light. I mean, you had the retest up here. This is where I probably would have looked at this. Got your 3.63% of the day. That's an all green week for the port gain of 18.34% on the week. Oh, Kenny, did you cross 700? Maybe not. So guys, so for those of you guys that don't know, Kenny started a small account with $100 and it's now at $600. That's awesome, man. You could pay for the whole class from today's earnings off of 1348. Faust, atta boy. There you go, man. Off the yellow traffic lights, dude, they're filthy. Again, guys, last chance to get in for 2 weeks for free. You're doing yourself a wild disservice if you're not coming in and getting your 2 weeks for free. It is what it is, though. Maybe you're the type of person that just doesn't like making money or learning new skills or taking control of their own financial future. I mean, maybe that's for you. Maybe it is. I don't know. Some people think differently than me. But yeah, hop in there, guys, if you guys are interested. We've been killing it over here. Nope. I wouldn't say only at 670, 612. You started at $100, dude. That's fucking awesome. That's amazing. Congratulations, man. It's like a 7x, bro. Bounce off VWAP. Yeah. Tessie Facebook looking okay. Let's see. Thinking of trading Tesla shares with the lights instead of options to avoid the decay? You can definitely do that if you want to. You can definitely do that if you want to. I would say Tessie moves enough where you could definitely do it with shares. You were prepped to play puts? Guys, it's 247 on a Friday. Keep it in the zoo, please. Don't do anything fucking crazy. So 0 days? No. Shares on the 4 hour much better? Yeah, you definitely can do that. Would have been a lot more today, but couldn't get filled earlier in the day on that nice SPY drop, but I refused to chase. Good. I didn't chase it either. I didn't like it. Like, if you look at this here, the drop, this is the one that I was looking at. Nancy was a great one off of this because it actually got the retest. SPY didn't. I'm not chasing this. This one was a really good one on the way down. I'm assuming you probably hit this. SPY coming back up to this level up here, 396.21. You're above 396 here again. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you're right at this level again, man. Let's see. Oops. Let's see here. You are right there, dude. You are right at this level. I mean, if you played this traffic light up, I wouldn't have, but I mean, that's a clear call. Oh, you blasted through. Dude, this is fun. It's always fun, man. Let's see. Ooh, we got 10 minutes till power hour. If this continue, let's see 396.50. I mean, you have this high of day here. You've got 396.50, then 396.70. So you're right at this level from the beginning of the day here. Hold your horses, team. Oh, you guys are murdering the like button too. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate it. 0 for 0 today, Ryan. It's better than taking a loss, bud. Better than taking a loss. And I would rather you too sit back and look at some of these trades as well. And you of all people need to like I want you, Ryan, to find a broker and use the stop loss strategy and practice holding these trades because you can't be taking 2 or 3% gains. It's not gonna work out for you. Is it too late to play Rivian on the 4 hour? Yeah. Look where you could have gotten it. You literally could have gotten this retest here at 1948 after this traffic light. Even if you got it here at 19, you still murdered it. So if you saw these traffic lights and you had access to them, you would have been way early on this move. I mean, you would have confirmed it and then been able to play this thing to the downside. But next time, man, make sure you're using the traffic lights. I don't know why anybody wouldn't at this point. They're the filthiest fucking thing of all time. I mean, even this too here on the SPY. Dude, Rita's going to have... I wonder how Rita's doing today. Rita's probably having a field day. Use Webull. No. I know, but like if Webull doesn't have stop losses on paper trading, then I would find a broker that does create a paper trading account and then practice it. Because you already know how to use the Webull, like the Webull broker. I mean, I need you to practice doing it. Monday earnings. Okay, then I'm not touching it, Daniel. Why would I touch a stock going into earnings? That makes no sense. Why wouldn't I just sit here and play the traffic lights all day long and make stupid money versus playing into a binary event? You know, let's trade smart, guys. Let's trade smart. That's why the Trade 1348 platform is built for people like you. Earnings. Oh my God. Relax. Play the traffic lights, trade smart, trade relaxed, and you're going to have a lot of success. And remember, it is your absolute last chance to get this 2-week free trial. So get in now or forever hold your peace. Playing earnings equals hopium. It's more so gambling. It's not hopium. Let's see. Dude, you're teetering at this 396.50. Wasn't this the last cuck zone? 396.50? Wasn't 396.50 the last cuck zone? Or am I crazy? Do you guys remember what the last cuck zone was before the 408.50 to 410 one? I think it was 396.50. I mean, it's not a cuck zone right now because I mean the puts are killing it still, but you could see this develop into the new cuck zone again, where you flash to 400, come back down to 396.50, fall down a little, come back right up. I'm pretty sure it was. So go for it. It's your loss, bro. I'll volunteer to be your first interview of someone to go $100 to $1 million. You have high expectations. I don't think it's out of the question that you do it. How many hours a day do you spend covering the SPY? I don't know. I look at it constantly, so I would say all of them, probably. As of right now, I'm 165 days ahead of schedule to do so. There you go. Is there a support group for people like me that are addicted to rejection levels on Tesla? Yeah, it's called the Playground. Because if they work for you, you can go to the Playground as much as you want. Lorenzo, I know, buddy. I'm just fucking around with you. You've been around here for a while. Can I analyze it? No, Daniel, because it has earnings on fucking Monday or whatever you said. Why are we analyzing a stock that's about to go into earnings? It would literally, and I hate to say this, it is a waste of time and waste of my breath. And here is why. It doesn't matter what the chart says when you're going into a binary event. It doesn't matter because you're going to have data come out and it's going to go wherever the fuck it wants to go anyway. So us even spending time on looking at it right now is useless to anybody. It could have the most bullish chart in the world, and I'm still going to be like, nah, there's earnings coming out. It could just die every single time. It like doesn't even help. It's not going to help anybody. I think you're too stuck on it. I think you're too stuck on it. I'd be very careful with trading that way. Dude, Gabe is about to have like a fucking 21% day or 20% day. Like, do you understand that, Daniel? Like, it doesn't matter. Yeah, Ryan, that's what I'm saying. You got to go to a paper account and find one that allows you to use stop losses. SPY ripping here. Here we go. All right, so now we're looking at 396.70. Yeah, there it blasts through. Boom, there we go. Oh, look, traffic light again. Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh, look, you could have made money on this one and then this one. And I'm pretty sure Gabe just did. You pretended to buy a put. Nice. Again, guys, I don't know what the fuck you're trading if you're not trading the traffic lights, but you're not making as much money as you could be right now. I'll tell you that. Oh, look at this thing go. 397. Let's see if it breaks. Let's see if it breaks. Gabe's up 13% today right now. That's fucking ridiculous. The dude's a machine with the traffic lights. Tim, this is fun, isn't it? You're teetering. There it goes. I mean, this is getting hot on the 1 minute. If you play this, I mean, you guys know what to do. 3 minute, hot. 5 minute, I'm guessing is hot. If 5 minutes getting hot, what's it at right now? 68. Yeah, that's heated, bro. This thing is heated. 2.14% on the port. Thank you, team. There you go. Facebook was looking bullish into earnings. Was that when they got killed and I made a fuckload on those puts? But that was a strangle. I mean, that was size for zero anyway. That was a fun one. But yeah, guys, like it doesn't. You want me to paper trading with a stop loss from the start? No. I want you to paper trade and use the stop loss strategy. You can put a stop at the beginning of the trade. No, you got to scale out first. Ryan, I can't keep going over. You have to use the stop loss strategy the way I've outlined it for you, and you have to be able to hold your positions to the point where you can scale out. If you're going to just take gains at 3%, you're never going to win. Snow days allowed for 2 solid days of trading, up 42% in 2 days on the charts. Wreck it, Ralph, you fucking beast. You fucking monster. Attaboy. Let's see. Ooh, guys, it is 3 p.m. That is going to be wrapping up our live stream for today. Guys, I've told you, I think today is going to be the day where the 2-week free trial might get pulled from you guys. So again, hop in there. You guys know what we give you at this point. You guys see the traffic lights all over the place. They are fucking filthy. So guys, make sure you hop in there. Do not get left behind. You're going to regret it for a very long period of time not getting in when you could have. So team, I will see you guys later. Everybody that's already an existing member, make sure you reach out to Diana before 4 p.m. Eastern. You have an hour to do that to upgrade to lifetime payment plan or 3-year to make sure that you are going to be there for the Lifetime Masterclass this weekend. Oh, I got to confirm with Gabe that we're going to be able to do it on Sunday. But I will get back to you guys on that one. I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to. If not, I'll probably be able to do one with you guys on the stop loss strategy for a little while. So we'll have something for you guys anyway. So team, I will see you guys a little bit later. Hit that like button on the way out and be on the lookout for some more short form content coming out later. Follow me on Instagram, short2vix1. Same thing on TikTok and Twitter as well. But guys, secure your 2 weeks free. It's going away. So team, fucking awesome week again. I will see you guys later. Peace.